Hello everyone, today we are diving into the world of dash cameras where we can explore Azdome GS63H Pro 4K dash cam. I'm about to give you 10 ridiculous reasons why this 4K dash camera might just be a new friend on the road. First up, the GS63H Pro offers stunning 4K video quality. That's right, 4K. Ever wanted to capture your road trips in mesmerizing detail? This means clearer, sharp images make it easier to capture license plates, street signs and other crucial details that low-resolution cameras might be missed. Next, the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS features. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can watch live videos and recorded videos on the dash camera. You can easily connect the dash camera to your smartphone to view and download your recordings. GS63H Pro has a built-in GPS to track every twist and turn. Plus, the GPS logs your route and speed, which can be vital in insurance claim of the traffic disputes. Azdome offers a GPS player. By this, you can play front and rear dash camera videos, and it even gives you the map location and the speed of your car. Driving at night, no problem. The 4K dash camera excels in low light conditions thanks to its advanced night vision technology. This ensures that you get clear footage even in the darker settings. The GS63H Pro turns night into day, well, not literally, but its night vision is so good, you will start wondering if you have suddenly developed superpowers. Another exciting feature of GS63H Pro is showing us car speed on the dash camera screen. This technology allows you to monitor your speed and keep track of your driving habits. For 3 weeks, I have been using GS63H Pro and I noticed its speed monitor is accurate and it can help ensure driving responsibly. Worried about your installation? Can't change the position and direction after installation? GS63H Pro comes with a 360 suction mount feature. GS63H Pro offers you a 360 mount with a 3M sticker and also a 360 suction mount. Anyway, when you mount the dash camera, you still get a chance to change the position. You might think installing a high-tech dash camera is tricky, but actually it's quite straightforward. The dash camera comes with all the necessary tools and a comprehensive manual to help you get set up in no time. Installation of GS63H Pro is pretty simple. Mount a dash camera with the 360 suction mount with a 3M sticker, giving the power using a cigarette lighter plug. I have mounted the rear camera inside the back mirror, and it also comes with a rotation option. You can change its position after mounting the camera. Never worry about outdoor space, the loop recording feature overrides the old footage to the new, so you always covered. With loop recording, driver can rest assured that the GS63H Pro dash camera is constantly capturing footage even during long drives. Once the memory card is full, it will pop up a message to format the recording or keep it. Live in the sun, no worries, the GS63H Pro works well in the heat conditions. Nowadays in Riyadh city, the average temperature is 45 to 47 degrees Celsius, especially inside the car, and the GS63H Pro is successfully surviving daily. With a wide-angle lens that covers up to 170-degree front and 150-degree rear, this dash camera ensures you capture more of the road. This wide view is perfect for capturing everything that happens both in front and on the back of your car. Last but not least, all these amazing features are offering at a price of $109.99. It's a small price to pay for security and peace of mind it offers. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. There you have it guys, 10 compelling reasons why this Azdome GS63 4K dash camera is the best companion for you. Whether it's the stunning 4K videos, the handy GPS and Wi-Fi, or its night vision, this dash camera check all the boxes. If you are interested in drone footages, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.